Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the design and app ready. Open your project and import the fingerprint as PNG or SVG. Once done, set a 1:1 artboard and pick 60 to 120 FPS so motion reads crisply. Make 3 layers now: a base fill, a ridges mask, and a highlight layer. This lets you animate depth independently. Start by converting the ridges to a vector mask. This is your motion driver. Do this now so subsequent steps modify motion, not layout. You'll animate the ridges using a trim or stroke dash method because it's fast and reversible. First, key the trim start or dash offset to reveal ridges over 0. 6 to 1, 2 seconds, ease both keys for natural acceleration. Then add tiny scale and rotation to the base, around 0. 98 to 1, 0.2 so it feels tactile. Once done, parent the highlight to a null that follows the ridges. This keeps glare synced. Make sure to preview looped to check timing and cohesion. You finish by polishing. Add motion blur between 0, 3 and 0, 6 to cell movement, and apply a color dodge or screen blend to the highlight so it pops. Once satisfied, export as video for demos or as Lottie/JSON for interactive use. Test on the target device to confirm timing and performance. If you see jitter or stepped motion, smooth Bezier curves, increase FPS, or slightly lengthen key durations. These fixes remove stutter without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.